Hi, this is Peter Olson. I'm here showing you how to use the t-shirt mockup for your hero portrait. I'm in the InDesign presentation template on page 8, and you should see the same artwork I see here. What you want to do is open this in Photoshop. So what you do is you control click on it and you can go to Edit Original. When you do that, it will open up this document in Photoshop. So this is linked to the InDesign file, but we're now in Photoshop. Now, if you notice, this document has layers that are labeled very clearly. The only real layers you're worried about are these two right here, and this one is conveniently called double click and add art. So what you want to do is add your Illustrator file to this double click and add art layer. I'm going to go over to Illustrator where I have my artwork open. I'm going to select all my artwork, Command A, except for this background. I have this filled background. If you don't have a background there, if it's white, you don't have to worry about it. But since, in my case, since it's there, I'm going to shift click on that to deselect it. Now I've got everything but the background. Command C to copy. I'm going to go back over to Photoshop, double click on this layer just like it says. It opens up a separate Photoshop document that's linked. And I'm just going to do Command V, paste, and paste my artwork as a smart object. I'm going to turn off the existing layer so I just have my artwork, and I'm going to say close it and say save. Now it automatically updated this Photoshop mockup template, and a couple things I see right off the bat are that my artwork is a little high, it's going over the collar, so I want to change it, move it down a little bit. You could, if you wanted to, scale this up. There's actually a mask blocking it so it won't go over the edge, but I'm just going to leave it kind of in the middle for now and accept that. Now, one thing left to do. This yellow t-shirt is not a color that's in my design. My background, if you remember, was this kind of coral color. So really what I want is the t-shirt to be this coral color. Well, how do I do that? I'm going to hit I on the keyboard for my eyedropper tool. I'm going to select my coral color out of my design. And now you see over here my foreground color is my coral color. Now I'm just going to select the shirt color layer. And with that selected, I'm going to hit Option Delete. And what that does is it deletes the existing color and replaces it with the foreground color, whatever that is. So now I've got my t-shirt completely finished. It's mocked up, and I just do not rename this or save it anywhere else. Just close it, say yes, save. Now I'm going to go back over to InDesign. And lo and behold, it has updated my artwork automatically. Isn't that convenient? The next steps after this is to make a PDF of the whole presentation and do a video presentation of your artwork. Hope that's helpful.